Welcome back everyone, I'm John. This is the channel of Moon High Effect, and today we're going to talk about some basic information about crypto, how to add a new chain to Metamask, and how to add a token to your Metamask. So let's jump in and let's take a look. The last time we talked about this, we just installed Metamask. So now we're going to add a chain to Metamask and a token to Metamask so that you can see them here in the asset list. So beneath, first of all, the top, this here is your address, so you can look at this address. On top you say main network, so that means that we are on the Ethereum network. So here you have assets, so you can import a token here, but you have to do it manually, so you have to do it with hand. And then the activities means when you have done a transaction, what's happened and where it is registered on the blockchain. So first of all, let's add, to be easiest one, let's add a token. So if I wanted to add a token, you should be pressing import token. If you press it, you will get an automatic search that you can use, or you can add a custom one. I prefer that you do custom. So how are we going to add now something to this one? Let's take the website of CoinGecko. That's one of the easiest. So let me say that we're going to introduce and add DAI. So DAI is a stable coin. Let's take the coin itself. So we look it up in CoinGecko with search. Now you got two options how to add something to Metamask. One, you can see here the address, so you can see the sign of Metamask. If you press it, Metamask will pop open automatically and it will add DAI. Like you can see, this is one way to do it. The second way to do it is going to the Ethereum Scan from DAI itself. So you press Ethereum Scan. And when this opens, this means this is the blockchain of Ethereum Scan. This is the token DAI, stablecoin. So look at the name of the coin, that it's true. And the other thing here beneath it is then your contract address. So you can copy this, then open up your Metamask again. Then go to assets, import the token, use it custom. And then you have copied the contract and you will place that in here. So then you will see the token symbol is DAI and 18. So look at the decimals. So they are 18 and the token sign is DAI. That's correct. Then we just add custom token, import the token. And that's how you add something to your Metamask. You can do this for every chain. And then you can see now under assets I have Ethereum and also I can see DAI here. If you have sent a coin to your wallet address straight away, you can just always also go to those three little dots on the side here under beside your address, and then you can see view account on Ethereum Scan, expanded view, account, and then connection to sites. So if you press view account on Ethereum Scan, it will pop up open straight away, and then you can see what is in it. So now you can see here the value is €0 because this is just one that I use for nothing really. It's just to show you guys. That's why there's nothing inside. So if you want my address and you want to send something, please do. That's always nice of you guys. And then afterwards, you can, if you have had a coin added to here, you will see them normally beneath here also with the value of it. And then you can just open up and go also to it. So those are three ways to add a token to your Metamask. Now let's add a chain to your Metamask. So that's also important because sometimes you have to be on the Avalanche chain. So it depends on which chain you want to be on. And then you have to add tokens. So then you have to add the chain also, because otherwise you will be working constantly in the Ethereum chain. So this is the Ethereum chain, the main network. So then you have Harmony, Chronos, Polygons, Binance chain, the smart chain, or Avalanche chain. Let's take, like, we add smart chain. So we're gonna add, so we go to Google. This is the easiest way. And then add Binance. Type it in, Binance to Metamask. So type Binance to Metamask, and then you will see straight away how to connect Binance to Metamask. Okay, that looks like it's good. Make sure if you press one of these websites that you're always on one that it is official, so that you have the right and correct way to do this. So this is an official website of Binance, so this is a very good one. So we can look in here. If you scroll a bit down, sorry, I got distracted. So if you scroll a bit down, you will find a few things that we need. Now, what do we need? Here they are. The main network. We need these things to be filled in to add a chain. So what are we going to do now? We're going to open up Metamask again. Then you have main network. You press that. And then you will have under it add a network. For you guys, the first time, it will only have main network, so you can add them. If you press add a network, it will open up your Metamask stuff. But I'll put it aside now that we can straight away place it into it. So now we have to fill here something in. So like you can see, the name of the network is Smart Chain. We will copy this and we'll place it in here. So then new RPC URL. So this is this one. We copy it completely, like you have seen now. If I copy this now like this, I could have added a space. So make sure that you do not have any space bars extra to it. It has to be correct. So like you can see, the slash beside it was not correct. So he gave me a correction that I had to adjust myself. So this is 65. This is true. Let's put it again. Yeah, I think because I already have added this one, I will not be able to add it, but this is how it goes. Then this, the symbol you place in here, and then extra where you can, which scan that you can look at that. So we add this one too, and then it's just save, and then you will have been added then you will have added Binance Smart Chain. You can look up any chain like this. Just search it on Google, press add to Metamask, adds the blockchain of Avalanche to Metamask, of how to add it, and then you will find all of these things. Make sure that you are correctly on the right website, and then just fill them in and save. And then you will see under the main network that you will have added Smart Chain. That's very good. That means that you have now added Binance Smart Chain. You can do it for all the chains, so there are quite a few of them, but that's how you just add a chain. Okay, I hope you guys learned something today, and we will see you all in the next lesson. Ciao!